In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add downloads to your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to provide visitors with guides, resources, or any downloadable content, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, head over to your Squarespace website editor. To do this, simply log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the specific website you're working on. If you're unfamiliar with the platform, don't worry. Squarespace's intuitive interface makes it easy to manage and edit content. Now that you're in the editor, you'll want to look for the option to add a new block to your page. Once you've located the Add Block button, click on it. A menu of different block types will pop up, offering various ways to customize your page. From here, you're going to select the Text block. This choice allows you to write and format content directly on the page, making it a versatile option for adding downloadable links. After inserting the text block, click on Edit to make changes to the text. This will open up a text editor where you can type out the content you wish to display on your site. This is where you'll provide some context or description related to what users can download. A clear and concise description will help visitors understand exactly what they're about to download. Now it's time to type in the text for your download link. This could be something straightforward like download here or a brief description of the file such as get your free ebook. This text will ultimately become the clickable link that allows users to access your downloadable content. Highlight the text you've just typed and look for a chain link icon, which represents the link option in the editor. Clicking on this icon will prompt several options, allowing you to direct this text to whatever resource you choose. Next, you're going to click on the down arrow next to the link options. This will extend a drop-down menu with further possibilities, crucial for our task today. From this menu, select File. This option allows you to upload a document directly from your computer, making it accessible to anyone visiting your site. Click on Upload to choose your file. You will be prompted to navigate your computer's file explorer. Here, find and select the document that you want your website visitors to download. Once it's uploaded, ensure that the selection is saved so your changes are permanent. Finally, click on the Save button to finalize the process. This step is essential to update your website with the new download link. As you review your changes on the live site, ensure the link works and that everything looks appealing and professional. And there you go, you've just added a downloadable file to your Squarespace website. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials to help you make the most of your online presence.